Ram Narayan Ram. Religion should always be the same for everyone. In this world, those who treat religion as a business must be boycotted. Some people have turned religion into a profession. We need to identify them and ensure appropriate punishment. Religion is not just an abstract concept, it has a tangible existence. We need to understand religion through our wealth, mind, and body. If we fail to understand religion, our life is futile. Religion does not simply mean idol worship. It is not about casteism either. Religion does not imply someone being a Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, or Christian. Just as we cannot divide water, sunlight, or air, religion too cannot be divided. If a human abandons religion, will their body have any significance? Our body itself is the true religion. The 5 elements that constitute our body are everything. Apart from these, no religion exists. It is through this fundamental religion that our body is created. Our entire being is a product of this true religion. This earth is one, the sky is one. Hence, we too must unite, abandoning claims of ownership. Everyone must come together, rising above the politics of caste and religion. Nature has never discriminated against anyone. The bodies of the approximately 8 billion people on this earth are all made of the 5 elements. These very elements provide us energy, wisdom, and the discernment to understand the true meaning of life, how and in what way it should be lived. When the universe was created, humans were given a body, consciousness, thoughts, intellect, discernment, and knowledge. Religion is not anyone's personal right or property. Religion is equal and common for everyone. Religion and politics are 2 sides of the same coin. Removing either would be like preparing a dish without salt. We all need to be highly aware of religion. The essence of religion is to act with wisdom. We must keep ourselves simple and humble, just as water and air are naturally simple. Similarly, we should behave in the same manner. We can take water and air as needed and let go of the rest. Today, the situation is such that both religion and politics are being misused in the name of caste. Instead of democracy, nepotism is prevailing. The manipulation happening in society in the name of caste and religion must be stopped immediately. Is our religion so weak that sitting with or touching someone can corrupt it? That is not religion. True religion cannot be corrupted. Now, a question arises in your mind: what can be done to stop all this? For this, we must embrace humanity. If we hold on to humanity, connect with one another's soul, and support each other, all these issues can be addressed. Through Ram Narayan Ram, efforts are continuously made to eliminate the negative energy in society so that the darkness dissipates and the light of awareness spreads. By connecting with Ram Narayan Ram, people's lives are becoming successful, and they are moving forward on the path of progress. Therefore, keep chanting Ram Narayan Ram and let go of worries about karma and religion. When you connect with this seed mantra, both karma and religion will align for your benefit. When a person connects with Ram Narayan Ram, their life gradually becomes stable. Ram Narayan Ram always teaches people to keep their thoughts positive, do good deeds, and help others wherever possible. Through Ram Narayan Ram, efforts are continuously made to eradicate the negative energy prevailing in society.